In this example, we are going to use the law of sines to help us find a missing side length in our triangle. So the missing side length we're looking for is side length A. So we're going to take the information in our triangle that we know and we're going to sub it into our formula for the law of sines, which is right here. So the sine of angle A, so angle A is right here. So the sine of 63 degrees is equal to side length A, which is straight across from angle A right here. That's the one we're trying to find, so we're going to write that in here. Equals the sine of B, so angle B is 42 degrees, so I'm going to write the sine of 42 degrees divided by side length B. So side length B is here between AC. We don't know anything about that, nor is it marked as our unknown, so I'm just going to put in B for now, but we're not going to use that. Now I have the sine of angle C is over C. So angle C is right here. Now, angle C is not written in here, but can we find the measure of angle C? We can, using the fact that the sum of all angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So here we can say that angle C equals 180, subtract 42, subtract 63, and that gives me an angle measure of 75 degrees. So angle C here measures 75 degrees. Now I'm going to fill that in to my law of sines, sine of 75 degrees, and side C is the side that is straight across from angle C, and that side length is 15. So I'm going to write in 15 right here. So now we're going to choose what ratios we're going to use. We're going to use sine of 63 degrees over A and sine of 75 over 15. So the sine of 63 over A equals the sine of 75 over 15. I chose these two because you can only have one unknown. Now, in order to do this, I need to first cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply A by the sine of 75, and I multiply 15 by the sine of 63. So I end up with A times the sine of 75 equals 15 times the sine of 63. Then I'm going to divide both sides by the sine of 75. I do this because I want to isolate A to get A by itself. So what happens when I divide both sides by 75 is that these cross out, or they cancel, I should say, and I'm left with just the A by itself. So A then is equal to 15 times the sine of 63 divided by the sine of 75. So on my calculator, I'm going to put in the sine of 63, and I'm going to round that to 4 decimal places. So I'm going to hit sin 63 on my calculator, and I'm going to get 15 now times 0.8910 divided by 0.9659. And then I put in 15 times 0.8910 divided by 0.9659 on my calculator. I get an answer of 13.8 meters. So my side length, A, that I'm looking for, is 13.8 meters.